It was so windy and so rainy and so much hail last night. I hope my other plants are going to be okay in the garden. Strawberries, we moved to bigger buckets. And that's some lavender and some mint and some poor dahlias. More dahlias and some snapdragons. Strawberries, strawberries. Look at the dahlias. They really got shit kicked last night. Wow, that mint sure just picked right up. Looks awesome. Poor dahlias. Some geraniums. Some peppers. They got really, it got broken. Poor thing. Don't know if they'll make it. What's over here? Dahlias and mint and snapdragons. So nice when the fog comes in. I hope everyone has a good day. Take care.